Hi everyone, welcome back to Bigin Learning Series. I'm Akshya, part of the product team here at Bigin. Today, we shall be focusing on how you can seamlessly export your data, whether you're preparing custom dashboards, creating a backup, or simply working with the information outside the system. Let's start with the fundamentals. Exporting is useful when you need to generate tailored reports, archive older records, or move your data into another workspace. Bigin packages your export into a convenient zip file containing CSVs with exactly the fields you choose, enabling clean and structured workflow. Now, let's walk through the export process from settings. Log into your Bigin account and head to Settings, Data Administration, Export. Select Start and Export and choose the module you want. And if needed, pick the specific view you would like to export. This ensures that you're extracting only the records that matter. Next, choose your field preferences. You can either use the fields defined in the view, or export all fields, or handpick only the one you needed. This gives you complete ownership of how your data is structured. There's also another streamlined route on exporting directly from a view. Simply open a view, click on the ellipsis, and select Export this view. The file will be generated and be available for download once it's ready. And if you're looking for a quick operational shortcut, please navigate to the module, select your records, go to More, and choose Export. It's ideal for on-the-spot data pools. Before you wrap up, remember that export link remains active for 7 days, which you will see it in the confirmation pop-up, and you can also revisit it anytime under Settings, Data Administration, and Export. Once your CSVs are ready, you can analyze them into a preferred spreadsheet tool. Filtering, segmenting, and refining insights with ease. You can also store them as backup or leverage them during system migration. Exporting from Bigin is designed to give you agility and control. And that brings us to the close. Exporting your data from Bigin is fast, intuitive, and empowers you to manage your CRM information on your terms. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide valuable, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next session.